Hi guys, so I wanted to just review a couple things. I've had some questions about the distributive property, so I thought this would be an easy way to try to help you understand that. But first I want to review like what an array is, because this is what I'm going to use to kind of help you with distributive property. So this is an array, a 4 by 3, which obviously would equal 12. I can go ahead and, if I added more, we'd have a 4 by 4 array, which would be 16. So that's pretty simple, pretty basic. When it comes to distributive property, okay, so keep this concept of array in mind. I'm going to go ahead and erase this here. When you're looking at an array, there we go, sorry. We still have this, I'm going to go back to my 4 by 3, this concept of 4 by 3. The distributive property just states that if I separate that array, and instead of having a 4 by 3, I make it a 4 by 1 plus 2. We're still multiplying. Instead of it being 4 by 3, we're multiplying 4 times 1 and 4 times 2, or 4 times 1 plus 4 times 2. So it's basically just splitting those two up. And I know it seems a little unnecessary because of the numbers, but when it comes to algebra, this is an important concept to understand. So it's still 12, no matter how you look at it. If you're doing 1 plus 2 times 4, or 4 times 1, which is 4, plus 4 times 2, which is 8, you're still getting that 12. So if I erase that and do a different one, my next one, I'll do, let's say, a 3 by 5 array, which obviously we know that a 3 by 5, if I had 5 here and 3 there, 3 by 5 is going to give me 15. Okay, if I split my array like this, I'm going to move that down a little bit. And now instead of 3 by 5, we have a 3 by 2 plus a 3 by 3. So I can write this in two different ways. I can say 3 times 2 plus 3, or I could say 3 times 2 plus 3 times 3. So I'm essentially taking this 3 and distributing it to the 2 and distributing it to the 3 to get the 3 by 2 plus the 3 by 3. And when I multiply this out, I've got 6 obviously in this array, plus the 9 here in this array gives me a total of 15. So you're essentially just taking the one array and splitting it into two smaller ones, and then you can write it in two different ways. So we're distributing the number over here to both of the numbers at top. I'm going to have a Zoom call tomorrow. If you have any questions, hop on there and I can answer any questions that you might have. Hope you're all doing great. I miss you.